Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Surula, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. So today we are going to discuss about the signs and symptoms of bulky uterus. The primary thing, the symptomatology which we are presenting here would be present in 80% of bulky uterus cases, but there are certain kind of symptoms which are very peculiar or which are very individualistic in nature. So we are representing the majority of bulky uterus case symptomatology, but not the individualistic symptoms. So let's dive into it. And the first one and the primary one is menorrhagia. So what is menorrhagia? Whenever you're having your period for a prolonged period of time, or your period cycle which is supposed to be 28 to 35 days, in between 28 to 35 days has cut short to 20 days or 15 days, that is your period is repeating every 15 days or every 20 days or every 10 days, or the period is very prolonged, or even if it is occurring for 5 days, the amount of flow that you're experiencing has increased, then all of this will come under menorrhagia. And apart from that, many people will be experiencing pelvic pain and pressure, which is a slight constant dull aching pain, bearing kind of sensation. You feel like something is pulling you down, or there is something in the lower abdomen which you feel is very heavy, and you also will feel chronic dull pain radiating in the lower abdomen. All of this can be felt in bulky uterus. Some people do experience severe form of pain which is called as dysmenorrhea, especially during the period time. And then you will be experiencing abdominal bloating, which is it occurs only in 50% of bulky uterus cases, where after eating food they just feel bloated. They just feel like even though eating very small quantity, they feel very bloated, especially if bulky uterus is accompanied with metabolic disorders, or if it is accompanied with hypothyroidism. All of this can cause this abdominal bloating kind of sensation. Apart from that, if the bulky uterus is occurring because of fibroids, or if it is accompanied along with fibroids, then you can experience, if the anterior part of the uterus has a fibroid and if it is falling on the urinary bladder, you can experience frequent urination, and if it is falling backwards, you can experience constipation, and some people experience dyspareunia, which is pain during intercourse, right? All of this symptomatology will be one or two symptoms can vary. Majority of the symptoms will be present in bulky uterus cases, but there are conditions where the person has bulky uterus, or the female has bulky uterus, but she does not have any of the symptoms. There are conditions where the female is suffering from bulky uterus and has all of these symptoms. There are conditions where the patient has one or two symptoms. There are conditions where they developed individualistic symptoms. So symptomatology varies depending upon the race, the location, the hereditary pattern, the individual stress life. All of this can be taken into consideration while assessing your symptomatology. Now coming to the consultation option, here at Fidicus Homeopathy, we have two kinds of consultation options. If you're someone who's staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us in person. Otherwise, if you're staying far away from us, you can contact us online, either through audio consultation option or through the video consultation option. Once the consultation has been done, or your medical records have been verified, especially to online clients, medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, 3 to 4 business days, USA 3 to 5 business days. Apart from that, anywhere across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to contact us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us on this number, or messages on this number. And if you'd like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. Here we have discussed how homeopathy has better choice in treating these kind of diseases. Now we will be discussing how Fidicus Homeopathy is a better choice in homeopathy. See, Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here, especially, we are following 3 principles. We are experiencing high success rates in treating diseases like endometriosis, adenomyosis, bulky uterus, fibroids, cervical erosion, dysmenorrhea. So the success rate is really high. Apart from that, the treatment is really transparent. What do you mean by that? The prognosis will be clearly explained to you. And then the personal care here at Fidicus Homeopathy is top notch. There is any sort of questions that you are facing, myths that you believe in, or any sort of questions regarding the medication, or any sort of questions regarding the disease prognosis, everything will be explained to you in detail. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose health, choose Fidicus Homeopathy.
Fidicus Homeopathy.